The Inova Ewing Forensic Assessment and Consultation Team, or commonly known as FACT, is a group of specialized medical professionals who take care of the medical needs of adults and children who have experienced abuse. We do see a variety of cases, so to include adult and pediatric sexual assault, physical assault, intimate partner violence, domestic violence, strangulation, child abuse, and human trafficking. We have patients present in many different ways. Sometimes they're coming in through the emergency room. Sometimes we're getting a call from one of our community partners or hotlines. Sometimes they're coming in through law enforcement. So it kind of depends on what stage they're presenting and what our next steps are. So we're going to make sure that they have whatever they need in that process. So a typical case, let's say law enforcement is bringing in a case, we'll get the patient registered. We'll do a brief medical history, circumstances of events. We'll do our medical exam, offer any medications that may be appropriate, offering injury documentation, photo injury documentation, and then providing the patient with whatever resources they might need for the future. Usually when we see patients, it's in the acute stage. So meaning that, they've been a victim of some sort of abuse recently. We do see what we consider non-acute or chronic pediatric patients who report a historical assault. Acute versus historical would be, in the acute phase, we're able to get what's considered a physical evidence recovery kit or PERC kit, commonly referred to as a rape kit. So in that acute phase, we're able to get the kit and collect DNA. In the chronic or non-acute phase, that is a child who's disclosed maybe 2 years ago there was abuse, and we're still providing them with medical care, testing for sexually transmitted infections, and making sure they're healthy and have the resources that they need as well. The exams can take anywhere from 2 to 6 hours. We really try to let patients dictate the pace. So sometimes people are, they want to get the exam done and they're ready to go. Sometimes it's the first time they're reporting repeated abuse and they need to debrief and decompress about that. So it really is dictated by the patients. We do not charge patients ever for any type of exam. They never get a bill. We don't send explanation of benefits, so there's nothing that's sent home, anything like that. We have 4 clinics in the Northern Virginia area now. So we have a clinic in Leesburg, in Falls Church, in Vienna, and in Alexandria. We're trying to provide that trauma-informed care closer to home.